Let's talk about Kisan Abadi plots. What are they and why are they one of the best investments in Delhi NCR? So this happened way back when Noida was acquiring land from farmers. They came to realize that since we are acquiring lands from the farmers and we are taking their livelihood, we also need to give them some sort of income means. So what they started doing was whatever land was acquired from them, 5% of that area they would give them as plots. And these plots could also be used for commercial activities, the half of it. So what that meant was that if you have a 10,000 square meter house, they gave you a 500 square meter plot, which half of it you could use in commercial activities. So the rental yield was higher, as well as you could have your own business. Usually there are Kisan Abadi sectors where the government gives them the plots, but sometimes we've seen that even in residential sectors, these Kisan Abadi plots have been allotted. Now this continued when Greater Noida started, so that was 6% in that case, and now this is continuing to EDA, where they are doing 7% Kisan Abadi plot. Now, how do you make a lot of money from these Kisan Abadi plots? So right now, some of the people are selling Naksha 11, also the entitlement letter to these plots. So it's not an actual registry, but it's like unofficially putting the plot on your name. So what you do is you buy these Naksha 11 plots at 25,000 rupees a square meter, and let's say in 3 to 5 years, whenever the possession letter and the allotment letter comes to you, the prices easily jump to lakh rupees a square meter. So that's how you make a lot of profits. Of course, there's some nuances and a little bit of risk, which I have covered in the previous video. So check that out. But even if not, you can comment Kisan plots and I can send you a PDF which lists all the documents and all the verifications you need to do to check the genuineness of these Kisan Abadi plots.